Hello friends, welcome to Cad Modules. Today we are going to design toggle lever. Toggle lever are mainly used for toggle mechanism. It is the mechanism in which a small force is applied on the one end and the output is the big force or the required force we have to do. These are vastly used in industries. The design is to be made in Solidworks. As you can see, the dimensions are given. The light blue color or the light shade of blue is depicts the top view of the toggle lever. The dark view of the toggle lever depicts the side view of the toggle lever. As you can see in the drawing, at two circles or we can say two holes, there are written ream. Ream is used to mention the reaming process. These are done with the tools called reamers. The reaming process involves of enlarging the holes, which is already done by the drilling process to give high accuracy. Also, you can see there are two dimensions given for one circle only. This is a tolerance for the dimension. So let's get started. So this is our SolidWorks area. Take a new file, select part and OK. Check it will be mmgs. We have to work in millimeters only. For drawing, select front plane, sketch. Now select a circle, then draw from the center point. Give a radius of 19.05. The diameter is 19.05. Now select a circle, draw another one. My dimension, give the dimension, so it is 44. Now select a line from the quadrant point, straight horizontal line, and draw a vertical line. Smart dimension. This line is 57 and this is 36. Now select a center line for construction. Make a vertical line, then again construction center line, and make again line. Give the angles between two. Give the angles in between 15 degree. Okay. Now draw a circle from this point anywhere. Okay. Smart dimension. This is 12.70 of diameter. Okay. Now another circle. This is of 14 radius. This is of 14 into 2, that is 28 diameter. Now check smart dimension, select the center of this circle and this circle and make align dimension 49. Okay, always take a line and select this quadrant point, this quadrant. Now draw another circle from this point of radius 90. Select smart dimension 19 into 2 and make other circle here and give the diameter 67 into 2. Okay. Now you have to select this circle and this circle and make tangent. Okay. Now select this circle and this point as coincident. That's it. Now select the line, draw from here horizontal, then go back and it will become a curve. Draw a semicircle and then a horizontal line. Okay. Take trim entities, trim this circle and trim this. Okay. Now select smart dimension. From here to here it is 0.70. 0.70. Now draw a center line. So this is 80. This is 22, I think. So yeah, take a line, draw horizontal from here. Now take a small dimension from here to here. This is 9. Okay. Trim entities. Trim this portion. Okay. Now go to features. Extrude base and walls. Plane 28.52 and select this portion, select this portion. Okay, right. Okay. Yes. Now go to extrude base and walls. To here, pause extrude, select the sketch. We have to extrude this part 16.52. Okay, 16.52. Okay, we'll take a mid plane. Select this circle, select this portion, and select this portion. Okay. Clear? Now select the top plane, sketch, Control 8, and take a rectangle, from here to here. Take small dimension. Dimension is 13.23. 13.24. So this would be 38. And from here to here, this is 8. Okay. Okay, go to features, extrude cut, select through all both, and we want to give the color for it. So this color. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and share, and press the bell icon for getting notification of more videos. Thank you.